Only Access Hollywood hasn't.
I know my mom is there with her right now.
Is she?
So, yeah.
How Tori's new son is not only a tribute to her late father, but how he's also healed the rift between mother and daughter.
This little area for our little man.
Your exclusive peek at little Liam's new nursery.
Number 4 for Angelina and Brad. How Maddox, Zahara, and Shiloh may have their new brother home this weekend.
There are times you feel different inside.
Heart surgery for Regis today with the same doc Dave and Larry had. What Philbin now faces.
You get a little depression.
How are you? Oh.
Our homecoming exclusive. But is Michael Lowen a new man? The new title he earned in prison.
What advice can I give Lindsay?
Billy!
Nancy. Help! The Ugly Betty assistants.
Become our assistants for the boyfriend.
Sort of getting, I think, boyfriend.
Incoming! Wait, what was it, two?
It was just not very good.
What are you doing? Get out of here.
Good, clean fun.
Not for Maria.
I'm gonna show you something very special.
Okay.
You ready?
Definitely not ready. Oh, jeez. Oh, my God.
Lights, camera, access.
Straight ahead, why Maria got the giggles about Tori's baby.
I think the baby will pop out another way.
You're sick. You're sick.
And then,
Go. It's time to go. It's time to go. Gotta go on the stage.
the assistants who really don't assist at all.
What's your boss's name here?
This is Rob.
Hi, Bob.
But first, when with Pam, be careful what you ask.
How do you use this when you can't stand?
Well,
It's 2 minutes away.
Access Hollywood is brought to you by Garnier Fructis Style. Unleash your style. Welcome back to Access Hollywood, where you're moments away from an exclusive look inside Tori's brand new baby bedroom. The assistants from Ugly Betty as they try to make our lives easier here at Access. Underline try. And Access info to the end. Elizabeth Hurley's wedding album revealed. But first, Pamela Anderson wants you to know if the trailers are rockin', don't come a-knockin'. I'll let Maria explain.
Well, that is the old saying, Billy. And now that I've seen Pam's brand new mobile Love Shack up close, I know exactly what it means.
okay, hang on to the pole. Come here.
Okay.
Hang on to the pole. I'm gonna show you something very special.
Okay.
You ready? Okay, there's no music. There's always music, but this is...
Oh, jeez. Oh, my God. This whole thing's vibrating. How many guys want to trade places with me right now? Welcome to Pamela Anderson's Trailer of Love, complete with vibrating bed and light-up stripper poles.
So I wanted a vibrating round bed, and they did it. And it's all pleather, of course, not leather.
How do you use this when you can't stand?
Well, I think a little baby oil and bikini. And you just slide around. I think you just run from the other room and grab the pole, and you fly around and...
Oh, glad I asked. Pam's Airstream got whipped into shape by the Speed Channel show Unique Whips, and only we were there as host Will Castro unveiled it for Pam.
And this looks good.
The outside is complete with white glittery paint and a Pam's Love Stream decal.
Ooh, love this. Look at this.
As for the inside, well, aside from the pole and vibrating bed, a disco ball, skylight, pink Playboy bunnies, a complete entertainment center with a flat screen TV and Xbox for Pam's sons, and an all-white decor, which is probably not for Pam's sons. White carpets? Are you nervous?
My whole house is white, pretty much, so... No,
Did
they're
it spill
actually...
anything ever?
No, you know, they're very good. People always say, how do you have a house like this with 2 kids and a dog? And that's what a vacuum's for.
But there's one thing Pam's new trailer doesn't come with, a driver.
Oh, yeah, I'll never tow this damn thing. What am I saying? I'll have somebody do it.